As two of the most powerful AI drawing tools, what are the differences between Midjourney and Stable Diffusion? Which one should you choose to achieve your creative goals? Both tools have their pros and cons, and today, I'm here to give you a detailed breakdown of everything you need to know. Hi, I'm Ray, your personal AI art tutor. In this video, I'll be comparing Midjourney and Stable Diffusion from multiple perspectives: cost, hardware requirements, output quality and use cases, level of control, efficiency, and learning curve. By the end of this video, I believe you'll have a clear answer in mind. Let's start with the biggest difference: cost. Midjourney charges a monthly subscription ranging from $10 to $120. On the other hand, Stable Diffusion is open source, which means it's completely free. That doesn't mean Stable Diffusion is the clear winner. To use Stable Diffusion, you'll need a high-performance computer, which requires a significant upfront investment. In contrast, Midjourney's subscription fees essentially cover the cost of the computing power you're using, so the expense is more spread out. Next, let's look at hardware requirements. Midjourney is a cloud-based service, so you can access it on virtually any device: desktop, laptop, phone, or even tablet. Stable Diffusion, however, demands much more. You'll need a computer, desktop or laptop, with at least 6 GB of VRAM, though 12 GB or more is recommended, especially if you plan to use advanced models like SDXL or Flux. Otherwise, generating images with Stable Diffusion can be painfully slow. That said, Stable Diffusion isn't overly restrictive. It still runs on both Windows and Mac systems. Now, let's talk about output quality and use cases. Midjourney consistently delivers high-quality images with excellent resolution, composition, lighting, and aesthetic appeal. Whether it's landscapes, portraits, product designs, or creative concepts, Midjourney excels across the board. Stable Diffusion, however, can be a bit hit or miss. If used improperly, it might produce poor results. But with the right techniques, Stable Diffusion can create images just as impressive as Midjourney's, if not better. For instance, it's capable of generating ultra-high-resolution 4K images. Stable Diffusion also has no restrictions on the types of images it can generate, meaning it can create certain images that Midjourney might not allow. It even allows for creating videos. You can think of Midjourney as instant coffee. Just mix it with hot water, and you'll quickly have a decent cup without needing to know anything about coffee beans or brewing techniques. Stable Diffusion, on the other hand, is like making pour-over coffee. You'll need to choose the beans, grind them to the right texture, and master water temperature, ratios, and pouring methods. Beginners might struggle, but coffee enthusiasts can brew a cup perfectly suited to their tastes. When it comes to control, Midjourney offers limited options. The main way to influence the output is through prompts, though you can also use reference images, seeds, and other tweaks. And there are few models to choose from. However, these methods might not always deliver the exact results you want. Stable Diffusion, in contrast, is incredibly versatile. With a wide range of models available and extensions like ControlNet, you can precisely control image style, figure poses, facial expressions, line art, and more. It also supports inpainting, outfit changes, high-definition enhancements, and many other features. As for efficiency, Midjourney is straightforward. In many cases, you just input a prompt, and you're done. Stable Diffusion, however, often requires additional setup, like negative prompts, image dimensions, face restoration feature, HD enhancements, and more, to produce high-quality results. For more specific tasks, such as turning a pet into a cartoon character, Midjourney might require trial and error with prompts or repeated attempts to achieve the desired result. Even then, it may fail to replicate the pet's exact pose or expression, making it unable to fully meet the requirements. Stable Diffusion, however, can accurately recreate a pet's pose, facial expression, and even the background, making it easier to meet specific needs. The downside is that you'll need to spend time fine-tuning parameters, models, extensions, and more. But once you've mastered Stable Diffusion, especially if you set up an efficient workflow in Comfy UI, you can achieve one-click image generation. Therefore, Stable Diffusion can become highly efficient if you master the techniques. Finally, let's discuss the learning curve. Midjourney is very beginner-friendly. There's no installation required. Just learn the basics of its web interface, parameter adjustments, and prompt crafting, and you'll have a good start. However, mastering Midjourney still requires a learning curve to improve efficiency and accuracy. Stable Diffusion, on the other hand, is more complex. The installation process can be a bit tedious, and there are many parameters to tweak, along with various models, LoRaS, extensions, and scripts. Features like inpainting, HD restoration, ControlNet, and model training require more time and effort to learn. In summary, Midjourney is a user-friendly tool with a low entry barrier, delivering consistently good image quality. Its images are also copyright-free, making them a great resource for guiding composition, lighting, and color in creative projects. Many commercial works have been completed using Midjourney. Stable Diffusion, while having a steeper learning curve, offers more flexibility and a wider range of applications. It's also copyright-free, but it ensures more privacy by generating images locally on your device. And if you're willing to invest in hardware and learning time, it can produce highly accurate, stable results. For those seeking a flexible, reliable, free, and private solution, Stable Diffusion may be the better choice. Of course, if you have the resources, you can use both tools and combine their strengths. For instance, you can create a first draft with Midjourney and refine it with Stable Diffusion. I'll be releasing more tutorials on both tools in the future, so stay tuned. Which one do you prefer, Midjourney or Stable Diffusion? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. I'm Ray, and I'll see you in the next video.